In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the line spacing in Google Docs for a polished and professional document feel. It's a helpful skill that can make your text more readable and aesthetically pleasing, whether you're working on a report, an essay, or just a simple note. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. Once you're there, you'll notice at the top right-hand corner of the screen a grid of small squares, commonly known as the Google Apps Launcher. Click on this icon and a menu with various Google services will appear. From this menu, you'll want to locate and click on Docs. This platform is Google's cloud-based word processor, allowing you to create, edit, and store documents online conveniently. Once Google Docs is open, you have a few options at your disposal. You can start fresh with a blank document, use one of Google's templates, or continue working on a previous project by locating it in your file list. For the purpose of this walkthrough, you can choose whichever option best suits your needs right now. Now let's dive into adjusting the line spacing, which can be a crucial step in formatting your document. To start, highlight the text where you'd like to change the spacing. You can either select all of your text by pressing Ctrl+A for a global change, or select a specific paragraph or section by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired text. With your text highlighted, direct your attention to the top of the Google Docs window. Here, you'll find the main toolbar. Look for the Format option in this toolbar and click on it. This will display a drop-down menu with a variety of formatting options. From this menu, hover over or select Line and Paragraph Spacing, which is the section of the menu we're interested in. Once you've selected it, you'll notice a few predefined options such as single, 1.5, 1.5, and double spacing. Each setting will adjust your text differently. Single spacing will keep your lines close together, while double spacing will provide a much larger gap between each line, making your text easier to read and arguably more comfortable for detailed review. Feel free to experiment with these settings to find what suits your document's purpose. For instance, let's try selecting double from the menu and observe how the appearance of your document changes. It's quite a transformation, isn't it? And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manipulate line spacing within Google Docs, enhancing both the presentation and readability of your text. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions or feedback you might have, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.